train ride from Xian to Chengdu. It's a 17-hour train ride, and we are 6 hours into the train ride. Is that train? And going through the beautiful scenery. Absolutely beautiful. Just thinking, imagine living in a place like this. Secluded farming land. Anyway, made some friends here. Making a little video. Hello. Hello, hello. So, you're from, where are you guys from? Where in China are you guys from? Oh, what part of China? You're from Xian, yeah? Where do you live?
Xian.
Xian. Both in Xian?
Yeah.
Very good. And you're going to Chengdu for a holiday?
Yeah.
Or a little holiday to visit friends, your Pangyao?
Yeah.
Very good. That's good. It's a beautiful trip. It's a beautiful ride out there.
Yeah.
Got a very beautiful country. We've all had some noodles. I've had my noodles. This lady's playing bubble games. And this is the train. Dave, looking bored. And wishing he was back in Yorkshire. And John. There. We've got Belinda up there watching a movie. Got Susan. It's Susan's birthday tomorrow, so we're going to be celebrating that. Got May, who's That's it. We're back to the scenery. So I think we're getting to Chengdu at about 5:30 in the morning, so it's going to be a nice early morning, and then we're going to the panda research base, which holds, I think, the largest percentage of pandas in the whole world at this one enclosure, which is in Chengdu, which is very exciting. Got a little bridge here. I was being told that Chengdu last year, which I'm very embarrassed to not know, had a huge earthquake which killed 2.5 million people. Felt all over China, this little earthquake, and it was centered in Chengdu, which is where we're going. So it'll be interesting to see how this little village, or not really little because there's 11.8 million people in this town, but it'll be interesting to see how they've recovered from this huge catastrophe. That's it. The train ride from Xian to Chengdu.